This is my 12 weeks transformation. Are you working hard at the gym, but not seeing your chest muscles grow? That's a common problem, and I've been there too. When I started working out in 2017 and ate right, my chest muscle still didn't grow like I wanted, but I've learned a lot since then. It's important to do exercises correctly. Try different ones to work all parts of your chest, and give your muscles time to rest and recover. By doing these things, you can start seeing better results. Stick around for more simple tips to help you reach your fitness goals. I wish I had not made these mistakes. Then, let's train smart and get those chest muscles growing. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make when they hit the gym is getting overly hyped and energetic. They come in with all this motivation, feeling like they have to go all out to see results. But here's the thing, going too hard, too fast, can actually set you back. It's important to approach your workouts with control and discipline. Remember, it's not about how much you do, but how well you do it. Focus on maintaining proper form, staying consistent, and having the discipline to stick to your routine. That's the key to long-term progress and success in the gym. Many beginners fall into the trap of thinking that they need to do a whole bunch of different exercises for their chest workouts. Just like professional bodybuilders, they load up on exercises like barbell bench press, dumbbell flies, dumbbell bench press, cable crossover, and variations like incline and decline presses, even throwing in the pec deck machine. They believe that the more exercises they do, the more gains they'll see. But here's the reality check. This approach can actually do more harm than good. It increases the risk of injury and doesn't necessarily lead to better muscle growth. As a beginner, it's important to keep things simple and focus on quality over quantity. Stick to a few basic exercises, perform them with proper form, and gradually increase the intensity as you progress. This way, you'll see better results without putting yourself at risk. As a beginner, don't make this too complex. Always keep it easy. As a beginner, we assume that in our chest there are two types of muscles, the upper chest and the lower chest. So we will train our chest muscles in two parts. First, let's talk about the upper chest. To target the upper chest effectively, we will focus on two exercises. There will be any kind of incline fly, and then any kind of incline press. Remember, one fly, one press. As an example, like the incline barbell bench press and the incline dumbbell flies. If you like to do both exercises with dumbbells or machines, then go for it. It all works the same way. Every exercise will be 8 to 12 reps and 3 to 4 sets. So simple, right? Now, what about the lower chest? To hit the lower chest more effectively, we'll focus on two exercises. Do flat exercises for the lower chest as a beginner. Here also, you can choose any kind of press, then fly. Remember the one press and one fly exercise method? Apply that. As an example, I am comfortable with the flat barbell bench press and the flat dumbbell flies. Sometimes I replace dumbbell flyers with cable crossovers or pec deck machines. If you are comfortable doing both exercises with dumbbells or machines, you can go for it. Every exercise will be 8 to 12 reps and 3 to 4 sets. Choose whatever you want, but machine, dumbbell, and barbell, all these working methods are the same. I believe these tips will help you in selecting your chest exercises wisely. If you've got any fitness-related questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'll be sure to address them either directly or through a future video. Until next time, see you in the next video.